Good morning, student. Myself KK Bhatt. Today, I am just going the next part of narration. Today, in this video, I am going to explain the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. I know well that everyone heard and know more about the exclamatory sentences, where the sense of exclamation has come, where the sense of exclamation has come, where the sense of wonder, surprise, and so on, many senses creates in the sentence. Such type of sentences comes under exclamatory sentences. Dear students, now these exclamatory sentences divided into two parts. First, the exclamation part. Second, the wish. The wish. It means wish part. First of all, understand what is the exclamation part or exclamatory part. In exclamatory parts, in reported space, many surprising object has come, where we say, show our surprise. As for example, if anyone say, what a beautiful picture, what a beautiful picture, what a beautiful girl she is, what a weather, hurrah, we have won the match, and so on, many examples you have read about exclamatory sentence where exclamation mark has been put in the end of sentences. Now we are going to discuss on wish. Previous, this sentence is the part of objective sentence. Previous, wish is the part of objective sentence, but now it is the part of exclamatory sentence. So we denote and understand the sentence by wish. Wish, prayed, cried, such type of sentences come in this part. We suppose that if anyone say, happy birthday to you, this is a wishing. If anybody say, good morning, that is the wishing. If anybody say, bless you as like that, may God bless you, may God bless you, that is also a pray. That is also a pray. So here in this wish sentence we use prayed. So now I think you understand exclamatory sentence. What is different between exclamation and wish? Dear students, now when we are going to change the exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, for this, we are going with two steps. The first step, change the exclamatory sentences. Listen here. Change the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentence in direct speech. No need to change the exclamatory sentences directly into indirect. First, change the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentences. Direct speech. Then after, as the rule of exclamatory sentences, we go through the second stage. Here, change the direct speech into indirect speech. Now understand. Next, through the example, we try to explain you how to change the exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. First of all, we are going to discuss about the reporting verb. Look here, reporting verb. Reporting verb. Reporting verb. What reporting verb? Set or set to. Set or set Said are said to. Said are said to change into slang. Said are said to change into slang. We can sense, pray, curse. You can sense exclaim, that is a part of exclamatory sentence, exclamation, pray, where we pray to God for bless. Then after, curse, when bad wishes said to others, as so on, many are the sense of the sentence. It means, first of all, we think about the reporting sentence. Be careful. Your reporting sentence, your reporting word should be changed according to the sense of reported speech. Be careful. The sense of reported speech is most important. The sense of reported speech is the most important. So, whenever we go to change the exclamatory sentence into indirect speech, first you understand the sense of sentence. If there is any exclamation, if there is any surprise, just take the sentence, take the reporting word as exclaimed. If in sentence there is any trait where with may God has been used, or any words define the sense of pray, there we use pray. Suppose that if in sentence there are any wishing, like that many happy returns of the day, happy new years, happy marriage anniversary, and so on many. On that particular place, we change said or said to into wished. There is bad wishes, for that we use curse. It is very necessary to understand, because this part is most important part of exclamatory sentence. Now, dear friends, then after we use that and change the entire sentence as you generally change. Now look and try to understand through the example. Example number 1. See, he said, what a beautiful girl she is. Look here, the sentence is, he said, what a beautiful girl she is. It means, first of all, first step, just to change the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentence. Look here, what, the word what gives the sense of very, or great, very or great. Understand? Look here, suppose that what a beautiful girl she is. Change this sentence into assertive, direct speech. You can write the sentence like that. He said, comma, inverted comma. She is here, used as a subject. So we can write here, she is or very, because of adjective. She is a very beautiful girl. Look here, she is a very beautiful girl. I think here easily we change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence in direct speech. Now the sentence is change into a simple sentence. And I think it is very easy to change this sentence into indirect speech. Look here, set change into square. We can write like that. He exclaimed. Use that here. See, no change. Is changed into was, because here in the past tense. Here reporting verb is in past tense. She changed into was. She was a very beautiful. She was a very beautiful girl. Look here, it's very easy to change this sentence into the direct. First, you change the exclamatory sentence into assertive. Listen, assertive direct. As he said, what a beautiful girl she is. He said, she is a very beautiful girl. And as we change this sentence into the direct, he said that she was a very beautiful girl. I think your doubt has been clear. I also gave some example. Some more example to clear your doubts. Look here. Suppose that he said comma inverted comma, use comma inverted comma. What a high mountain it is. What a high mountain it is. What a high mountain it is. Look here. He said, what a high mountain it is. As what is your first step? First step is we change the exclamatory sentence into assertive. It means he said, comma inverted comma. It is very, what's the name of very? It is a very high mountain. It is a very high. I think it's clear to everyone. It is very high mountain. Look here. This is the exclamatory sentence. But now exclamatory sentence change into direct assertive sentence, not indirect. Okay? Up now, you can easily change this sentence into indirect speech. Second stage आपका क्या होगा? Second stage indirect. Indirect में आप क्या करोगे? Look here. He exclaimed that. There is no change in it. Tense, it changed into was a very high mountain. A very high mountain. I think your every doubt has been clear. Now we are going to tell you some. Suppose that if any sentence given like that, what a foolish you are. What a foolish you are. Look here, you are. There is no nouns. It means what a foolish you are. Understand this sentence through the example. What a foolish you are. He said, what a foolish you are. What a foolish you are. Look here, what a foolish. That is a noun. Here is no use of adjective. When noun come with what? What change into great? What change into great? Listen very clearly. So change this sentence into direct. First step, he said, you are a great police. You are a great police. Understand? Change this sentence into a sentence. He said, you are a great police. You can sense very easily the sentence. He said that you change the code again is no object, so you can change you according to a girls or boy. Here he indicates about the boy. You can use here she. She was a great police. She was a great police. Now, dear friends, we are going to discuss if in sentence the word come with reported speech, what as like alas, hurrah, oh, etc. Suppose that such type of word used in direct speech, in reported speech. There is no worry to take this sentence, change this sentence according to the sense of reported speech as explained with joy, as explained with, you can use sorrow, you can use joy, as one meaning. You can use exclaimed sadly, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed sadly, exclaimed happily, exclaimed with joy. In this way, we change the sentence according to the sense of this part. For detail, you understand this sentence through the example. For example, look here. Mohit said, comma inverted comma, allows, she is no more. Look here. Mohit said, comma inverted comma, she is no more. She is no more. It means that is the sense of sadness. Here we cannot use. Look here, allows. Change this sentence into Mohit exclaimed with sorrow, because it is sense of sadness. Or we can say Mohit exclaimed sadly. Sadly and sorrow both can be used here. He exclaimed with sorrow that she was no more. That she was no more. As same as if in the sentence or sense of helpless, use hurrah like that. Understand through the sense. Suppose that he said, hurrah, we have won the match. Change the sentence into that. He exclaimed with joy. That they had won the match. Now we are going to discuss on the sentence of wish. Wish, it means that the part of our main sentence is previous. See here example of wish or prayed. Say, my teacher said. My teacher said, may God bless you. May God bless you. Here what? The sense? The sense of prayer. You can say this sentence into prayer. So, my teacher prayed. Because here God use, here the word God use. So, we use here as prayed that. My teacher prayed that God might bless, God might bless them. God might bless them use कर सकते हो और me use you can use they, the or other words according to the sense of sentence. Okay. Okay, I think when you are watching this video, your every concept has been clear. I will try to clear all your doubts. Okay, thanks to watch my video. I hope you must like, subscribe and share this video in your group. Thanks.